The Barpelo Sigor Marich Pass road corridor is an important link road that connects the counties of Baringo, Elgeyo Marakwet and West Pokot and our neighboring country of South Sudan. But over the years, cattle rustling and rampant banditry menace have slowed down the socio-economic development of this high-potential and resource-rich region, condemned its people to insecurity and poverty, and hindered the development and use of this significant road corridor.
Barabara ikiwa mbaya, sisi tunakuanga na challenges sana. Yaani vitu si rahisi kufika kwa wakati penye inatakikana. Vitu inakuwa delayed. So tunaomba barabara at least itengenezwe, at least biashara ikuwe rahisi. Vitu itakuwa inafika kwa wakati na pia wateja watakuwa wanapata kwa wakati. So tutafurahi sana serikali wakitusaidia hivyo.
Hii barabara tumeahidiwa kwa muda mrefu sana. Kwa hivyo tunatarajia hii barabara itengenezwe kwa sababu ni tegemeo letu kwa mazao la eneo hili, haswa mimea yetu kama maembe kuweza kufika soko kwa haraka.
Indeed, this is now a reality as the government of Kenya, through the Kenya National Highways Authority, KENHA, has embarked on the construction of this ambitious road project that will open up the region for trade and faster travel.
The road is going to open up Kerio Valley. Kerio Valley is a very fertile region with a great potential. So with this infrastructure being built to open up the Kerio Valley, the people of Kerio Valley will be able to move their products and goods. You know that the area of Todd, Weiwei is full of mangoes. And these mangoes have always got rotten in the farm because of transport problems. The people are unable to move their goods faster, and you know these are perishable goods to the market. That really helps the farmers to transport their goods.
The construction of Barpelo Sigor Marich Pass road corridor that traverses Baringo, Elgeyo Marakwet and West Pokot counties will create a vital and seamless connection with Kitale, Lodwar and South Sudan at Marich Pass and with the Nairobi-Malaba Highway at Nakuru.
With that opening of that valley, we can assist the people of Kerio Valley to be able to deal with better livestock production and bring it to the urban areas of Nakuru, of Nyeri, of Nairobi, of Mombasa, because they can access transport of their livestock products. So for that reason, I just want to tell you that you open room for schools and colleges that are in those areas, investment to universities in that area, more interaction with external world. You know that with the oil exploration programs that have been going on there's a potential of having also greater investments from outside the country, plus also those that are within the country to be able to invest in the valley.
Once completed, the road corridor will also shorten the distance between Nakuru, Lodwar and beyond by 70 kilometers and save travelers time by not passing through Kapenguria and Eldoret en route to Nairobi.
Wakati huu sasa tukisikia barabara hii inatengenezwa tukafurahia sana. Hata tarahisisha watu kufika hospitali, kurahisisha maneno ya chakula, maneno ya biashara, itanawiri sana kwa area hii. Na mimi ninafurahia sana. Hata watu wa Chepturu, Koloa alifurahia barabara hii kusikia itatengenezwa lami. Tunafurahia sana kwa serikali kujali. Sisi ni wa Kenya sasa.
The tarmacking of this critical road that passes through the arid and semi-arid and mostly pastoralist inhabited area is set to help communities living in the region to contribute rightfully to the economic development and prosperity of the country.
Kerio Valley is very beautiful, you know. The entire valley there is a very good scenery, and so therefore a great potential for tourism, a new route of tourism, connecting tourists from the products they will have consumed in Nairobi to taking them through Lake Nakuru, Lake Bogoria, Lake Naivasha. Then you cross through the valley to go to Takwel and then to Turkana. And then with the connection we are doing to Nakadok, you can easily go to Sudan via that route. And the socio-economic benefits here is that with tourism, it means then we can build a chain of hotels across the valley. meaning a lot of employment opportunities for so many young people. It means also more earning for the people of Kenya. You are able to support the economy.
The road is also expected to spur development in the horticultural-rich Kerio Valley, known for production of highly valued mangoes, bananas, vegetables and livestock products, and greatly enhance trade across the region and the country.
Barabara ikiundwa itatusaidia pakubwa sana. Kwanza kabisa sisi ni wakulima wa maembe, wakulima wa watermelon, wavukaji wa mbuzi na ng'ombe. Tutapata foreigners wengi ambao watatusaidia kwa mambo ya hiyo biashara, kuuzia ng'ombe, kuuzia maembe. Sasa hii barabara yetu ni busy sana. Watu kutoka Eldoret, Nakuru, Kisumu kuja kununua maembe yetu hapa. Kwa hivyo barabara ikiundwa tutapaitika pakubwa sana.
The construction of the road is funded by the government of Kenya and will no doubt play an important role in helping to eradicate deep-rooted cattle rustling activities, which have for decades frustrated peaceful coexistence among various communities living in the region, and enable the government to open up the region to investment and ease response in emergency situations.
One of the biggest problems we have in Kerio Valley is insecurity. You know that at the moment that area is very dangerous. So many people have been killed, people have lost lives because bandits are roaming in that area because they have not access to civilization. Most of it is because they don't are able to go to school and they have no economic activities that change their lives. Opening up Kerio Valley, that road alone, is going to assist us to deal with the challenge of insecurity. And if we can do the same through Barpelo and make sure that we open as many roads as possible in that region, I believe that that access, opening up Tiati constituency where we have the biggest problem to civilization, will assist us to make sure that in the next 20-30 years we no longer continue having breeding ground for banditry, because that banditry is perpetuated by marginalization. And we want to make sure that people are not marginalized. Schools are being built there, churches are being built, economic activities are going on there that give them alternative life to these acts of banditry, and make government also more, with great access of infrastructure. So government institutions, police stations, the army, the security agencies are able to access many parts of the Kerio Valley and therefore reduce insecurity.
Hii barabara tumepitia changamoto mingi. Kwanza wakati wa mvua huwa kuna malaga huwa zinakatika, gari huwa tunakuwa na shida sana tukiwa tunasafiri katika hii barabara. Tukitengenezewa itakuwa salama sana, kwa sababu hata hii njia kuna wakati ilikuwa na ukora mingi kwa ajili ya barabara, vile iko na challenges ya njia. Nafikiri itakuwa mzuri sana kwa sababu tutakuwa tunakimbia moja kwa moja na biashara itakuwa rahisi kwetu.
As part of the peace-building efforts and a celebration of the different cultures of the people living within the three counties, Kenha will construct peace museums at Barpelo and Kubasi River, and also establish free and ample parking bays for heavy commercial vehicles using the road at Barpelo, Tot and Sigor. This is part of Kenha's corporate social investment and an incentive to encourage safe behavior among truck drivers.
What we must commend Kenha for doing is to integrate in the contract CSR programs that are long-lasting and useful to the community. So support of the school in Cheswegon, establishment of the parking lots, incubating the trading activities in the region, especially among the farmers.
The construction of the road is expected to be completed within a period of 36 months, and once done, the road will promote the development of commercial and market centers along the route, create employment opportunities for the local youth, and open up the region, whose huge potential in agriculture, tourism and sports has over the years remained unexploited.